Have a great morning, everyone. I am Teacher Rods, your English teacher in grade 2. Today, we're going to learn about prepositions. But before we start with our lesson, let us first read the following words.
First we have cat, bed, bake, food, tire. Last time we have learned about the demonstrative pronoun this is and that is. Example, blank my pencil. Try to look at the picture. What demonstrative pronoun we're going to use? Very good! The demonstrative pronoun we're going to use is this is because the boy is holding the object. Next we have blank my bag. What demonstrative pronoun we are going to use? Wow! That's great! The demonstrative pronoun we're going to use is that is because the bag is far from the person who is talking. Children, do you celebrate your birthday? Very good. Children, try to look at the picture. What are the things that you have seen in the picture? Very good. We have here a doll, teddy bear, a headband, a ball, a cake, a shoes, and a slipper. Let us pretend that today is Sarah's birthday. Her friends and family brought some gifts for her. Her mother put all the gifts inside her room. That would be all the gifts brought by her friends and family. What are the gifts given to Sarah by her friends and family? Very good. Sarah received a doll, a beer, a headband, a ball, a cake, a pair of shoes, and a pair of slippers.
Children, can we help Sarah find all her gifts? That's great! Let's help Sarah find her gifts.
Where can we find her doll? Very good. The doll is on the bed. How about her teddy bear? Wow! What a nice teddy bear! The teddy bear is in the box. Can we help Sarah find her ball? Yes, you got it! The ball is under the chair. How about her cake? That's right! The cake is on the table. How about her headband? Can we help Sarah find her headband? Awesome! Her headband is on the floor. I think she can't go outside to celebrate her birthday without her slipper. Can we help Sarah find her slipper? Very good! Her slipper is on the cabinet.
I was just thinking, what are the words that we use to locate Sarah's gift?
What does the prepositions in tells us? Very good. The preposition in tells us that the object is found inside. Example, we have the teddy bear is in the box. We use in because the teddy bear is inside the box. How about the preposition on? When do we use the preposition on? That's right! We are going to use the preposition on if the object is found on the top of the other object. Example, we have the doll is on the bed. Another is the cake is on the table. The last preposition we have under. When do we use the preposition under? Very good! We are going to use the preposition under if the object is found under the other object. Example, the ball is under the chair. We use the preposition under because the ball is found under the chair. Did you understand, children? Very good. Let's clap ourselves. Are you ready for the activity, children? I know you are ready. Study the picture and choose the correct preposition by putting a check. The dog is blank. Under the box, on the box, in the box. That's right! The correct answer is on the box. The dog is on the box. The ball is blank. Under the table, in the table, on the table. You really did great! Under the table. The ball is under the table. The cat is blank. On the chair, in the chair, under the chair. Wow! That's right! The cat is under the chair. The owl is blank. In the cage, on the cage, under the cage. Correct! The owl is in the cage. The penguin is blank. On the ice, under the ice, in the ice. Very good! The penguin is in the ice. Good job, children! You did it perfectly! Do you enjoy learning our lesson? We use in if the object is found inside the other object. We use on if the object is on the top of the other object. We use under if the object is under the other object.
Very good. We use the word in, on, and under. And that is what we call preposition. The preposition in, on, and under is used to locate an object.
Do I made it clear, children? Good job! Direction. Read carefully the sentences and write the letter of the correct answer. Great job! Let's clap ourselves, children. You did it great!
It seems that you are ready for the activity. Please get a piece of paper and a pencil. For your additional activity, can you please draw me the following?
Miss Haltea asked the class to draw the following: 2 cats under the chair, 3 flowers on the table, and 5 balls in the box.
That would be all for today, children. Thank you for listening. Let's keep ourselves safe. God bless.